Hi everyone, today I have Boya Wireless Mic with me. As you can see here, I'll show you this one. This is the new one. I'm going to unboxing my wireless mic. One receiver and two mic, right? This is the wireless mic, as you can see. Okay everyone, I'm going to unboxing. Right. Okay, I'll keep here this one box. As you can see, here it is. See, as you can see, one catalog here. Okay, I'll check inside the catalog. Right. Okay, this is the this is the catalog. This is Boya catalog. Okay, I'll keep here this one. Here is a Boya sticker. Two Boya sticker also have in the blue color, as you can see. Okay, I'll keep here this one. This is the receiver and two wireless mic, right? Okay, I'll show you everyone what is inside the box. See, there's a one small box. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, oh my god, see, oh, so many items here everyone. See, as you can see everyone, this is the type C. I think this is charger. One type C charger, yeah, two type C charger, and yeah, this is type C. Yeah, one more is type C charger. Total three type C charger for this one mic, right? One receiver and two wireless mic, right? And here, see, this is the jack. See, as you can see, TRS for the, this is the jack for the connector. Okay, camera and the mic. Okay, there, this one is one TRS and TRRS. There's also TRS with mic. This one same is mic. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, it's a bag, right? For this, all the items we can put here for the safety, right? And we can lock it like this. I'll keep side here, and I'll keep here this one also. Okay everyone, now I'm going to show you this mic. This is the RX receiver. See, as you can see, this is the Boya wireless receiver. Keep here, and this one is mic, right? We keep here, we can use it, okay, like this. Yeah, and other one also, one extra mic and one receiver. And here it is. Inside anything, nothing. This is the only box. Okay, I'll keep it here the side. Okay everyone, now I have wireless mic, one receiver and two is mic. Everyone, here is, see, as you can see, here is two windshield we can use in the mic. Here there's a two small hole, right? And we can put here, we put here, and we fix it like this. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, see, as you can see, and I'll keep here this one. Okay, and other one also I fix it. See, same like that. Okay, see, as you can see, same like other one. Then I'll fix it, this windshield. Here it is. See, now it's ready. Our two mic is ready. Okay, I'll keep here. See, this one RX, this is the receiver for the mic, and here you see, clip is here. Clip, as you can see, we can fix it in the camera, right? Okay, I'll keep here. This is the type C, right? Type C for the charge. We have charger, right? Type C charge. See, as you can see, we can put here, and we can this is the USB charger. See everyone, see, this is the receiver already on. This one I'll skip here. Switch on also. This one, where's the power button? Yeah, this one is power button. Yeah, here it is. See, as you can see, this is the power button. I want going to switch on. Okay, see, as you can see, light is coming. This Boya. Wow, everyone, so I'll test it. Hello, hello, hello. When I speak, here it is, as you can see, right? Hello, hello. Other one, this one also mic, right? Because we have two mic, right? See, as you can see, this one also on, right? And okay, I'll test it both together. Hello, hello, hello. My god, see everyone, you can see here, okay, in the display. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, mic testing. 1 2 3. Hello, hello. As you can see, the Boya Wireless Mic. All right. And this is the mic, right? We can fix it. We can fix it. This clip, right? And as you can see here, this is the clip here, okay. And then we can fix here, anywhere in the bag, in the pocket, anywhere, like here also. See, just press here and like this. See, right? As you can see, it's easy to use the wireless mic, right? The display, as you can see. Wow. Okay, everyone, this is the receiver. Okay, now it's power off. See, as you can see, this is the mic, right? I'm going to power off. See, yeah, it's the power off, right? And this one also, I'll remove this one from here. See, just press here like this. So press here, just hang here, no problem. This is the clip, right? Okay, this one also I'm going to power off, right? See, yeah, one is receiver and two for the wireless mic. This is the model, as you can see here, right? This Boya BYXM6S2. This is the mic, right? If you make full battery, then you can use until 7 hours. Wow, running time is 7 hours, right? It's a good timing. 7 hours. Oh my god, good. And we can charge by the type C, right? And operating range is up to 100 meter. Oh my god, it's 100 meter. Oh my god, 100 meter is so long. It's good. 1 year warranty, right? Here it is, as you can see in the sticker, 1 year warranty. Okay, everyone, that's it about the Boya wireless mic, as you can see. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, thank you so much. See you on next video, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye.